Hey there, this is the Shenandoah Valley Chess Club. We're posting our solution puzzle to a challenge that we have on our Facebook page that we put on last Sunday. We'll have another challenge coming this Sunday and a solution video to go with it. So this is the scenario. Thanks everyone for commenting and giving it a shot, at least seeing what this position would look like in real life. We start with analysis of the position of the kings on the board every time we want to do a puzzle, because generally attacking the king is always the best way to go. We can't get a direct attack on the king, but we can definitely get a powerful attack on the pieces that are protecting the king. So with black to move, we'll highlight these three key pieces who are the heroes of this scenario. We have a queen and a knight and a bishop all bearing their pressure on the f2 pawn, and only the king is defending. Never a good position for white in this position. So the first move and our solution is queen to f2, checking the king, and we see that the king does not have any other escape places to go to, cannot capture the queen because of the bishop, and is forced in the corner in h1. Move number two may not be as obvious, however it requires a bit of sacrifice, and black continues the attack with queen to the g1 square. Queen to g1 forces the issue, and with the king already painted into the corner, white must get out of check using either this knight or this rook to capture. So if we have the move knight to g1, we see that the king is no longer in check. We could also have rook to g1, and the king is already out of that immediate threat. For move number three, black proceeds with the knight to the f2 square and creates a checkmate. This pattern is a famous pattern to recognize. It does not appear often, but when it does, it's often quite fun. This is called the smothered mate, and only the knight is the piece that is able to do that. The reason is that knights can jump over different squares and is not at all impeded by these pieces that are in the way, blocking the king. Normally, you want your pieces to be guarding your king, but in this case, because the pieces are so close around the king and the king is already in the corner, then the knight is the best candidate to smother and create that checkmate. So that's it. Thanks for watching. As I said earlier, we will have another puzzle posted this upcoming Sunday. I hope you will enjoy it. We'll increase the difficulty. And you can always join our Shenandoah Valley Chess Club group for more videos, also chess articles, and we have a really good, diverse group of people who like to keep it with some fun content there. So that's all we got for now. Thanks everybody for watching, and have a great weekend.